Hello, internet. Marion say I'm on internet. I'm not sure what internet is. Marion read me all the comments. Yeah, you people very nice. Thank you. Today we making crispy garlic prawn. This is Noi favors, my special recipe. Just for you. This one very easy. We're gonna make the mayonnaise first. First we're gonna make the garlic. A lot of garlic here. And you pound a little bit. I'm gonna take the skin out, see, like this. Now I'm gonna add the coriander. I just break it up like this. Just want the coriander root, just two. Just pound up with the garlic. This one is classic Thai flavor. Garlic, coriander, and the pepper. We use this for a lot of things. I just want the rough powder only. Just finish, just put on the prawn. Now put the pepper. I'm using white peppercorn. That's the original one to use. You can use black pepper too. Fish sauce. And a little bit sugar. This make a little bit sweet, just like Noi. And you mix it up. Now I'm gonna dip your prawn in the flour. You use your hand. This one's so easy. I like to make it for party. Or you can serve it with rice as well. With rice as well.
As well.
We can serve with rice too. Why you people laugh at me? Oh, I forgot. Now let's cooking. For test the oil, gonna put wood and chopstick in, and you look for the bubble. Oh yes. Okay, now the time for sizzling. You see the bubbling? You don't want to crowd the pan. Looking good. Oh, it smells so good. Smell the garlic and coriander. And you don't like coriander? We can leave it out. Just make the garlic and pepper. Yes, now I got something for everyone. Look at the color. So crispy. Strain on paper towel. See how easy is that? Now we need a good dipping. I'm using coconut sweet chili. You tried it yet? You get in America or Australia? Mine I get from Marion. He's charging me, you know. Just joking. Just put dipping sauce. And put my prawn out. Look at the crispy. Sprinkle a little chili for color. A little bit of coriander too. Another winner from Noi. The dipping. Oh, so good. Eat all the tail. Don't you wait anything. No, don't wait anything. Eat the tail, everything. Good for you. Listen to Noi.
Mum, don't talk while you're chewing. How come I get in trouble for talking with my mouth full and you are talking with your mouth full?
I'm allowed to do what I want because I'm Noi.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. So our sauces and marinades are in Coles in Australia right now. What should people do?
Head to Coles, you don't miss out.
Listen to Noi.
Yeah.